Do you find it hard to find your own style and become a unique voice on YouTube? That's what I'm going to share with you right now. Hey there, my name is Paul and I'm here to share with you how to capture your awesome moments on mobile. Finding your own unique style is not easy, especially if you are just starting out on YouTube just like me. In my personal experience, I needed to watch tons and tons of videos of my favorite creators and look for that sweet spot on where I want myself to be in. So, how do you become unique? Mission order. You need to figure that out. What is your mission and your vision for your YouTube channel? Keep it simple. For me, it's learn, create, and share. Whatever it is that I learn, I create and then I share it to you so that you could also learn, create, and share it to others. That is my MO. That is my mission. And that is the reason why I am creating stuff on YouTube. So, what is yours? It's only you that can answer that question. The process of being unique is not a straight up process. You need to imitate or copy someone else's style at first in order for you to find your own style. There's nothing wrong with that. Case in point, there is this awesome Pinoy YouTube creator from Palawan by the name of Miko Tatanko. I've seen his early works. It's like watching Ben TK, and it's a direct copy of what Ben TK is doing. And there is nothing wrong with that. That is his process in finding his own style, and if you watch his videos now, it's unique. He found his style by being inspired and copying how Ben TK edits at the beginning of his YouTube journey. So find someone whose work resonates in you or inspires you. Then try to imitate that style and then evolve from that inspiration. As the saying goes, good artists imitate, great ones steal. One thing that you need to know about style is that style is the thing or the things that you get wrong. You imitate someone else and you make mistakes while imitating them. By doing that, you are slowly discovering new things about what you can or what cannot work. Me, for example, I used to copy Peter McKinnon's 120 frames per second slow motion for all my shots. But there was this one time that I forgot to put my settings in 120 frames per second and I have it on 24 frames. So when I started editing, I discovered that this can work. So I started to evolve and found my own style. I made a mistake copying Peter McKinnon and I embrace it. That's how you find your own style. Don't stick to one inspiration as much as possible. Find different sources of inspiration from different styles and combine them. You can get inspired by Peter McKinnon's cinematic style and Casey Neistat's awesome storytelling technique and combine those two. You can even add more if you want. And by adding and combining them, you're starting to figure out what you like and what you don't like. You eliminate what you think doesn't work and keep things that you feel works best for you. This method of thinking can be applied to any creative process, whether you're figuring out how to find your own style or create a new project. You need to tell yourself that it's okay to create something bad because you don't get it right the first time. What is important is that you get it out there and create. You start shooting your videos, don't be afraid to make something bad out of it. Learn from it. And most importantly, finish your project, no matter how bad you think it is. If you want to learn more about mobile videography, check out this video right here and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more moments on mobile. And I will see you on the next video. Peace out.